Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Cash App debit card in 2026. So you need to update your debit card on Cash App whether you received a new card, switching your banks, or your old card expired. I will show you how exactly you can remove your current debit card and add a new one step by step. So your first step would be to open up Cash App. So once you're on the Cash App, just simply sign into your account using your mobile number, email, or any other means of sign up or sign in. And once you've signed into your account, make sure you're using the account connected to the debit card you want to replace. So make sure that is what you've selected. Now, once that's done, open up the linked banks and cards, tap on your profile icon, and then navigate to the section where you're going to see your linked payment options and just select on that. And then the next step is to simply find all the cards and bank account connected to your Cash App. Once you found those accounts that are connected to your Cash App account, all you need to do is quite simple. Remove the existing debit card. So select your current debit card and simply remove it. Once you've removed this, look for an option to remove the card or replace the card. Tap on it and confirm the action if you're prompted to. And then you can now go about adding your new card by entering the card number, the month and year, the CVV, the ZIPs, and any other piece of information required by Cash App for a new debit card. So I'll go over it again. In the link section, just go ahead and select the bank account or credit card or debit card you do not want to use any longer and simply delete it. All right, and once you've been able to remove the debit card, all you need to do, as earlier mentioned, is add your new credit card or debit card and just save it. Alright, so once that's done, once the old card has been removed, just add the new one and enter the new card number, expiration date, and all those required info. And then the next step you're going to be taking is verifying the new card. So Cash App may ask you to verify the new card before it can actually be used. And this could involve text messages, email confirmations, and verifications from your bank. So you're going to get a verification code that you would have to impute into your Cash App account, which you should then impute and simply change into a new debit card. Alright, so once that's been done, just simply confirm that the card was updated. After the verification, return to your linked payment methods and simply check and make sure the new card appears correctly. Double check the last 4 digits to confirm you're looking at the correct card. Once that has been stipulated, your next step will just simply be to test the new debit card. So to make sure everything works properly, try a small transaction using the new card. You could either use it on any platforms. Once you've selected what you want to do, just go ahead and click on approve and simply test the card. All right, so if the transaction succeeds, your new debit card is ready to be used. Otherwise, whenever you update your payment information, it's a good idea to review that it is the new debit card that is, handling your transactions. And after that, you're going to have to make sure your account security settings are set up, such as a security log and two-factor authentication for your accounts, in a manner in which, if you're not in a familiar location, Cash App can simply lock or freeze transactions. All right. Enabling additional security features and monitoring your account for unusual activity would really help with your Cash App and managing your assets on the Cash App application. And that's how you can actually change your debit card on Cash App in 2026. Now, for some pro tips, keep your card information updated when your card expires, verify all card details before saving, test it with a small transaction first after you've created a new debit card or added a new debit card, monitor your account after making any changes, and update your payment methods as soon as you receive a replacement card. So everywhere should, every platform you use your new card or your older cards should have the new cards just integrated into them. Alright guys, so leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.